We celebrated Independence Day recently, yes, and we celebrated. We sang the patriotic songs. We had sweets, and we put our flags and flag hosting, everything done. Right? Ask yourself, what freedom are you celebrating? Yes, the Britishers have left long back, and we really had a great freedom fighting struggle and all that, right? And we do celebrate that moments. But ask yourself, are you truly free? Are you truly free? Are you enjoying your freedom? Are you having the freedom of your choice, freedom of your mind, freedom of your body, breath, and soul? Yes, the inner MBPS. Are you truly free in all the aspects of your mind, body, breath, and soul? Or are you still caged? Your mind is not allowing you to do what you really want to do. Your body is not supporting, your breath is not supporting, your soul is disconnected. So, where is the true freedom? Hello, welcome. I'm Dr. Poonam, founder of Inner MBBS. That's your true inner hidden doctor, your mind, body, breath, and soul. Let's understand this Independence Day. What true freedom means. The true freedom just doesn't mean going on a holiday, going on a vacation, and hosting the flag and having sweets, singing some patriotic song. Yes, they too are important to celebrate and to commemorate the hardships, the struggle that our freedom fighters did undergo and gave us this freedom, right? But ask yourself, I really want you to pause. I am going very slow. I want you to think, are you truly free? Are you able to do what you really want to do? Are you able to think what you really want to think? Are you able to express yourself truly to the people around what you really want to convey them? Or are you still caged in your mind that maybe I should not tell this, maybe I should not do this, maybe I should be something out? We are wearing a mask, we are being inauthentic. Authenticity is lost, my dear friends. Can you imagine when somebody asks, and we also ask everybody, how are you, how are you, how are you, and what answers we get? I'm fine, hey, how are you? सब लोग इतने अच्छे हैं क्या? Just think about it. Deep down, do you feel, am I really feeling well? How are you when I ask, what does it mean? How are you feeling? How are you truly feeling inside? Do you have the real freedom on your life of choosing your life the way you want to live? So ask this question because most of us have created the cage and we have the key and we are put in our pocket, and then we are going around in the world and thinking, no, this person should make me happy, this person is not listening, they have to do something, only then my life will change, only then I'll be happy. My dear friends, these are the limitations of our mind. We have created the boundaries, we have created the cage, and the key of the cage is we only have put in our pocket and we are searching it outside, that somebody else has to open the cage, somebody else is responsible for my life. No, we are not independent. We are still under the slavery of our minds, of our victim mindset, and of our wrong thinking, wrong eating, wrong breath work. Everything is wrong. And that's why Inner MBBS wants you to rethink, to relive, to redesign your lives. Because this is not going to give you anything. It is not going to give you a happy mind, a happy body, happy breath, happy soul. Nothing is going to happen unless you prioritize yourself and understand what it truly means to be truly free. You should be independent to make that choice, to have that chance to change your life. Yes, my dear friends, choices, chances, and change. You should have the free will, the choices you make, the chances you take to change your life. That freedom you should have. Your mind should not come in the way. But what happens is our societal conditioning, and don't blame other society alone. We have also loved our pain and a victim for so many years that we just want to be in our comfort zone. We don't want to step into the uncomfortable zone because it's scary. Growth is scary. Be willing to push yourself and step into that uncomfortable zone to make yourself truly free. I want you to pledge this Independence Day. Many Independence Day will come, many Republic Day will come. You pledge to yourself that no matter what, my life is my responsibility. My freedom is my responsibility, not the government, not the people around you. It's you. It begins with you. The key of the cage is with you. Take the key from the pocket and unlock the cage of your limiting mind and convert it to limitless mind. My dear friends, there are no limitations. The sky is the limit, they say. I tell you, your mind is the only limit. You open your mind and anything and everything you can do. There's nothing that is impossible. So, my dear friends, wish you a very happy Independence Day, a true happy Independence Day. From your mind, from your body, from your breath, from your soul. Wish you a happy, healthy, holistic life. Thank you.